Hey guys, GreatBuddy sent me some new leaf bags to check out, and I'm so excited because as you can see, I need a ton of leaf bags out here. I've got a lot of trees. These are 45 gallons each, 2-pack, and they're collapsible for easy storage. So first off, you've got this little tie here to keep them collapsed down, which is really nice. They're not going to be like flying open as you're putting them away. And there's one on each side. Ooh, that just popped right open. And that stays up right. Look at that. You have no idea how much a struggle it is to keep those collapsible ones open, and then trying to put the leaves in and you're just making a big mess around it. This is gonna stay open. You're not gonna have to like fight the thing collapsing in on itself because it just stays open. Look how big this is. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so besides the fact that this stays open, it's got the little hooks that collapse it down. Collapsing it down is super easy. You don't have to do any twisting, unfolding. When I first saw it, I thought I was gonna have to do the little twisty thing that you do with those car shades. No, once you take those hooks off, that's just satisfying. Let's do it again. Okay, you got 2 handles. Now, if you want to keep the handles together, strap to Velcro these guys together. Ooh. Okay, and then you also have another handle here on the underside, so when you're flipping the bag over, you can hold it there and your leaves can come out easily. So, 2 handles on top with a little Velcro strap to hold them together. This guy here for flipping. Here's the other thing I noticed about this. So I noticed there's a hole on the bottom, so it looks like you can wash this clean or rinse it or hose it out, and then you don't even have to flip it over to drain it. It'll just drain out through this bottom hole here, which is excellent.